Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look. Here we come in 3, look, 2, look, 1. Bye. Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse, greatest show in the daggone multiverse. Bye. We have a great show for you today. Bye. Let's get to the stories. All right, so hope everyone had a great night. All right, so let's just get right into it. First story, Polkadot launches first parachain. So I guess this is just sort of I don't know what it is. I haven't read it, but I mean, all of you guys keep talking about Polkadot, and I keep looking at it. Fucking every time I look at it on CoinMarketCap, it keeps going up. So, let's see what these guys are up to. And then Stellar, German real estate giant using Stellar. Bang, bang, bang. New use case. Good stuff. And then Coinbase opens doors to more listings. VeChain, perhaps? Yes. We'll see. And then shout-outs and daily summary as usual. So let's proceed how we proceed with a bang. Yes. And then we go over here and bang. Yes. All right. Let me get myself prepared here. All right. All right. Price of Bitcoin. What are we working with? $38,396. And when I left yesterday, we're at $37,431. So we've gone up. What's that? $965. $965. All right. Modest gains. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers, sisters. But look at where Polkadot is, right? It's at number 5 now, this thing. Someone told me that it actually took over XRP at number 4 for a second today. All right, so top 10 of the day. Usual suspects, top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, XRP, Polkadot, Litecoin, Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, and Stellar. Bang! Yes. All right, market moves the day. Single digits up, single digits down. We'll accept Polkadot with that 20 daggone up right there. Oh, hey, that thing's flying. Oh, Chainlink, good work. 14% up today. Good. All right, but single digits up, single digits down. 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 Single digits up, single digits down to single digits up to single digits down. All right. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it's on sale. Bye. Let's see what we got. Yes. Not many sales today. Top 10 losers. Horizon, Blockstack, Verge, Zcash, Celo, Synthetics, The Graph, Solano, Monero, and NXM. Let's see who made money today. Bang! Top 10 gainers. Holy, what the fuck is it? Oh, hedge trade? 200% up today? Fucking bumbleclot, man. Look at that shit. Look at Voyager token, 47. Some of these are making some really just outstanding moves, man. Like, obviously. All right, so let's just move on. Don't go trace. All right, anyways, we'll talk about that another day. Hedge trade has made 330% this week so far. All right. Oh, and look at that. Voyager token made 221% this week. IOST 158% this week. Fuck, everyone's talking about IOST in the chat. All right, well, let's just proceed how we proceed, doing how we do. Top 10 of the day. Hedge trade, Voyager token, IOST, ABBC coin, Polkadot, Cosmos, Ren, Chainlink, Near Protocol, and Gnosis. Let's see what the market cap is. Are we still over $1 trillion? Yes, we is. We be over $1 trillion. 1.0 1.4 trillion. All right. And when I left yesterday, we were at exactly $1 trillion. So we've gone up $0.04 trillion. All right. Let's see what the 24-hour volume is. All right. $133.3 billion in 24-hour volume. When I left yesterday, we we're at $124.5 billion. So we have gone up. What's that? Hold on, let me do the math. Sorry. 9 point something trillion. Fuck. All right, 9 point something trillion. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get to the stories. Look. All right. Bang. Whoop, bang. There we go. Delayed bangage there. So, Polkadot launches first parachain as dot price surpasses $14. So, a lot of you guys have been talking about this dot thing, and I've been looking at it, and it's been flying. So let's check it out. I guess there's not much yab about it. Let's read it. So the high-speed blockchain... Oh, wait. Is that it? Polkadot. All right, there it is. So the high-speed blockchain has garnered quite the fan following in the past year. Parachains on Polkadot. Parachains on Polkadot. So blockchain ecosystem and crypto protocol Polkadot saw the launch of its first ever parachain yesterday. A move that pushed the prices of its DOT token to over $14 as of press time. An open source project founded by the Web3 Foundation, Polkadot is built and maintained by 5 teams, commissioned by the foundation. Its DOT token serves 3 functions: governance, staking abilities, and bonding to parachains, and helps power use cases for the blockchain project. And so here's some tweets. Blah, blah, blah. So parachains are similar to Ethereum's shards. They spread transactions across multiple nodes and allow for a faster and more scalable network. However, the slots for such parachains are limited, with Polkadot intending to auction them off in non-permissive candle auctions. In the midterm, over the next few years, only about 100 parachain slots are available for teams and developers, which creates a huge gap between market demand and supply. And yesterday, hold on, guys, I gotta go. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. All right, let's get back to the stories. All right, where were we? So they're similar to Ethereum. Parachains are similar to Ethereum shards. They spread transactions across multiple nodes and allow for a faster and more scalable network. Oh, yeah, and then the slots. What the fuck just... Hold on, guys. All right, there we go. So, however, the slots for such parachains are limited, with Polkadot intending to auction them off over the next few years. All right, and yesterday saw the first. We already read that part. So, Plasma Network and Dot booming. Plasm Network. Plasm Network connected to Polkadot's Rococo in August 2020 and was officially launched yesterday. The project is a layer 2 technology that runs over Polkadot, supports and runs smart contracts, and solves the critical problem of scalability for DApp developers. All right. Our highest priority in 2021 is to become a Polkadot parachain and build a DApps hub on Polkadot. Today we became the first parachain on Rococo version 1. Plasm Network said in a tweet. As stated back in August, the launch of Plasm would see Plasm launch a POC with a Kala network, a cross-chain finance hub, and stablecoin protocol to make the first Polkadot cross-chain use case. This would bring about the first cross-chain... Wait, sorry. Am I saying this right? This would bring about the first cross-chain, an interoperable program to the broader Polkadot ecosystem. Meanwhile, traders pushed up the price of Polkadot to over $12.50 upon news of the launch. Hold on, is this it? Well, we don't talk about price around here. Blah, blah, blah. Price. All right, fuck all of that. So, bang. So, there you go. Polkadot launches its first parachain, which is like Ethereum sharding. It gives it scalability and all that stuff that these blockchains need. All right, so great. But let's move on. German real estate giant issues debt via Stellar blockchain. Yes. Yeah, new use case for Stellar. Yeah, this year's been pretty nice, man. I mean, actually, the past 2 months, really, right? Last December and then this January, we've been reading a few Stellar stories, right? Yeah. So Stellar hodlers, which I know there are many of you who are, bang, 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 bang. That's all I can say about that. So let me get a sip. Oh, and while I'm getting a sip, I'll read the side here. So let's read the byline on the left-hand side there. For the first time, real estate company Vonovia has issued a digital bond in the amount of 20 million euros. All right. Shit. Someone's at my door. Hold on a second. All right. All right. And so what were we doing? Oh, we were reading the left side. Right. And so the transfer of ownership. Okay. So actually, let me just do a little yap about just, it's not really about Stellar, but just, I told you guys, real estate on the blockchain is going to be mega going forward. I told you, I've said this here a few times, in some countries, people just get their land stolen from them, right? Like in India, it's a big deal. Like, because they don't have records. Same within Africa. Africa and India are the ones I know of a lot. And what it is they don't have records of who owns land. You know what I mean? Like in Africa, there's a tribe called the Dogon Indians. Yeah, well, they've just lived there for thousands of years. So there's no land record saying, blah, blah, blah owns, this many acres or that many. They just know this is our fucking land, We've just always been here. And these governments, a lot of them, and so let's get to the India thing. In rural areas of India, I guess I've told you, these farmers committing suicide a lot. Actually, there's been a lot of them just lately, in the past couple of weeks, committing suicide again. And what they do is, these motherfuckers, they're gangsters, right? These gangster guys. And what they do is, because there's no land records, they go and pay some official to write them out a land deed, saying that they own the land. They pay the guy, I don't know what, 20,000, 50,000, whatever. I don't know how much it costs to buy an official in India. Corruption, right? It's corruption. And they pay an official. The guy makes a thing saying, Mr. Gangster owns the land. And then he just goes to the cops, and the cops kick these people off the land. Yeah, these people have lived there for generations, hundreds of years, like passed down through family and all that. And so I like blockchain in that, well, once the land records are all put on blockchain, no one can do that anymore. You can't pay some official to write you some fake ass shit because fake paper saying it's yours, because it's going to be immutable on the blockchain, right? It's a big deal, man. I'm not saying that's not what this thing is. This is German real estate, so you don't have that problem, obviously, in Germany, but just real estate in general on the blockchain, man, is going to be a big deal. Actually, solidifying people's rights to that land that they own, that they're on, right? Like I said, a lot of these people, they're just tribes, they've just been born on that land. It's, our ancestors lived on this land, thousands of years. It's not, there's no paper saying I own it, that they own it. It just is that way, right? All right, let me get a sip. So what does it say? And then on the left hand, let's finish that. The transfer of ownership rights to the real assets was regulated via security tokens issued on the Stellar blockchain. All right, let me get a sip and we'll proceed. Yeah, man, these guys are fucked up, man. In India, man. Yeah, they just go with the piece of paper, tell the cops, get these people off the land. Right? And the people are there crying, screaming, kids, wife, everyone getting kicked off. Right? And the cops say, well, prove you own it. Well, there is no paperwork. All right? Their families just live there forever. Right? Everybody knows who owns what. Right? You don't have to have paperwork. All right. The German real estate group Vonovia, which is headquartered in Bochum, owns more than 400,000 apartments in Germany, Austria, and Sweden. 400 apartments in Germany, Austria, Sweden. In order to further expand the digitization of its financial operations, the housing company has issued its first fully digital registered bond in the amount of $20 million. Bang, bang, bang. All right. There's their little tweet. The bond has a total term of 3 years. Security tokens were used for the issue to transfer ownership under the highest security standards. For the actual settlement of the transaction and to transfer of ownership, the tokens were issued on the Stellar blockchain. Bang! In the process, Vonovia independently launched the token via the online marketplace FirstWire. So FirstWire is a platform that brings issuers and investors together directly in real time. The company has already placed a promissory note loan in the amount of 50 million euros on the platform in September 2019. In mid-December 2020, the German federal cabinet had approved a new draft law for the introduction of electronic securities, which is intended to further advance the digitization of Germany's financial center and fulfill the central requirement of the blockchain strategy for more transparency, market integrity, and investor protection. Helen Reuter, Chief Financial Officer of Vonovia, explains that the use of blockchain is to be driven forward. So this is what she says. Or he. I don't know if Helen is a guy or a girl. Yeah, this is what the chief says. The Chief Financial Officer says. We want to try out the new technology to gain experience. We can well imagine that it will play a significant role in the capital market in the future. Issues are transparent and traceable in real time, which guarantees a professional transaction standard. It also allows us to reach new investors globally. Yeah, right. If people can just buy this, that means a Chinese investor could just buy these and be invested in German and Austrian real estate from China, right? So it gives you a reach of new global investors. Absolutely. Absolutely. One of the first, whoops, where the hell did we go there? Wait, what happened there? Oh, there we go. One of the first investors in FirstWire's marketplace is banking giant Warburg. Joachim Oliarias, spokesperson for the partners of the owner-managed Warburg Bank, describes the tokenization will significantly expand the range of services offered by the bank. Tokenization will significantly expand and structurally change the range of financial products and services. We are pleased to have successfully completed this transaction with an experienced issuer. It underlines the innovative strength of our bank. And that's that shit. That's the shit I was talking to you guys about Stellar. That's what makes Stellar awesome, right? You could just, create tokens and issue them on it, right? It's more than just the little XLM, the little Stellar Lumen token. It's the blockchain itself that matters, right? And these guys, they can issue stuff and that's what I'm saying. For instance, the scenario I gave you about the Indians. The Indian guys getting ripped off by the gangsters, right? They can tokenize their land, right? And then, no one can steal it from them, right? All right, let's just move on. Michael Grainer, CEO and founder of the online marketplace FirstWire, sees the first transaction as an important milestone that marks the use of tokens by institutional investors and can change the financial market in the long term. So against the backdrop of the draft legislation for electronic securities, this transaction shows how bond issues can also be structured in the future. On FirstWire, companies can now digitally close their issues in real time, which mean immediate settlement and no more multi-day settlement risk. The marketplace realized the technological implementation with its cooperation partner BitBond. I heard about this BitBond thing. Not enough so I could yap about it, though. Which offers the first blockchain bond in Germany in the form of a security token offering for investors. So adoption of Stellar blockchain continues to rise. As CNF reported, more than 800 companies rely on Stellar's technology to offer a wide variety of products and financial services. In the first week of January, it was announced that Ukraine had signed an agreement with a Stellar Development Foundation to develop a natural central bank digital currency. Oh, yeah, I remember that. And not only are they going to put the CBDC on the Stellar network, but Stellar is actually going to help them create the laws for crypto in their country. Look. So as a result, XLM has risen massively. All right, we don't do price around here. So, but there you go, Stellar hodlers. Oh, yeah, Stellar hodlers. Accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. All right, big things going on. All right, the Ukraine government, this thing. We read a few other little Stellar things just at the beginning of this year and last month, December, right? So, yes, all is going well with Stellar. So if you're a Stellar hodler, be happy. All right, let's move on. Bang! Coinbase opens the door for more crypto listings with Asset Hub. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, yeah. All right, so can we say VeChain, anyone? Anyone? Bueller? VeChain? VeChain. Let's go, VeChain. So this is awesome. Coinbase is going to allow companies to apply to be on Coinbase now, right? And actually, they're making it easier or something like this. I mean, it has to be regulated and all this. It's not like you just get to apply and you just get to throw your stuff on Coinbase. They're still going to do due diligence and make sure that your product is regulatory compliant and all that. But expect to see a lot more coin on Coinbase soon. And let me get a sip and we'll proceed. You know how it goes. Let me get on Coinbase. Right? It's like the holy grail. It's on Coinbase. Right? All right, let's check it out. Coinbase, the San Francisco-based cryptocurrency exchange, has announced a new platform designed to help issuers list their assets more efficiently and possibly without having to go through the cumbersome listing process currently employed by the firm. Right, they're making it super easy. And so that's what I'm saying. Like, I expect lots more coins on Coinbase this year, really. Fuck, probably next month. Let's see. Coinbase Asset Hub is a simple, streamlined product for issuers to list their assets in business with the exchange, said Surojit Chatterjee, Coinbase's CTO. The goal is a single interface at Coinbase for digital asset issuers to manage the full life cycle of their assets, he said. So the platform, which was introduced on Thursday, will maintain a robust evaluation process to ensure that every asset meets Coinbase's legal, compliance, and security requirements. So it's not just any moron is just going to get to throw up a coin on there and, some shit coin on there. Nah. You still got to go through some stuff, but it's a lot easier. Beyond that, issuers can get started with Asset Hub by filling out a formal application. Hold on, let's look at what the application looks like for a second. Let's see if it shows it to us. Just curiosity's sake. I'm a curious guy. I like to look at shit like this. Okay, so list your asset. Oh, get started. All right. Wait, let me just see. Your asset available on Coinbase. Use a single application to list on the exchange, custody, and all our trading interfaces. Millions of active trading users, secure storage for your investors and team, liquidity for your network, on and off ramps. Okay, so. All right. So let's just move on, man. Fuck. Yeah. Sorry about that. I'm not sorry. I'm curious. You should be too. So you learn stuff. Questions are the answers you might need in life. Okay, so the application asks the issuer to list the asset's name and ticker symbol, as well as answer a few questions about their product. Applicants are then taken through the compliance review process. Some in the industry consider a Coinbase listing to be the gold standard. Here in America, it is. Oh my gosh, right? Anytime someone gets listed on Coinbase, it's a frenzy. So some of the industry consider Coinbase listing to be the gold standard for cryptocurrency projects because it opens the doors to tens of millions of investors. It also provides participants with an easy way to convert fiat money into digital assets without having to first deposit Bitcoin or Ethereum. Right, like Binance, you always got to move the Bitcoin and Ethereum over, then buy your crap. So, whereas Coinbase, you know how I have it. My bank account's just hooked up to it, and whenever I feel the urge to get my crypto on, just buy. It's instant. So, although Coinbase conducts periodic reviews of cryptocurrency projects, getting listed on the main Coinbase platform isn't easy. Currently, over 40 assets are listed. Its professional trading platform, Coinbase Pro, provides access to over 90 assets. So 2021 is shaping up to be a highly ambitious year for Coinbase. The firm is reportedly in talks with Goldman Sachs. What? Oh, for the IPO. To help launch its initial public offering, which could be slated for later this year. The platform has brought in tens of billions of dollars in institutional capital over the past year, highlighting the growing demand for digital assets. Yeah. Coinbase, I think Coinbase is going to be pretty much the standard around here. I mean, they already are in America, right? Pretty much. And they're thinking of IPOing. Coinbase is good to go. And Coinbase just partnered with what kind of company was that? Just the other day, like 2 days ago, right? For some more security, I think it was, right? Like to give them better security or something like that. Anyways, whatever, man. So, expect to see your favorite coin on Coinbase by the end of the year. I hope so. Let's go, Sunny Lou. V-Chain, looking at you. Get over there. All right. Bye. Let's see what everyone's talking about over here. Lorna Downs. Look. There's All In. Lorna All In Downs. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. What do we got? Lonely Trader. God first. God first, trade seconds. I'm down, brother. Love to see, brother. Bye. Slap beep. Love to see, brother. Hold down the North Insurgency. Bye. What's Slappy talking about? Oh, I did read this earlier. Yeah. AGI is on the move. Sophia is looking for you. So if you don't know what Sophia is, it's a fucking AI robot. Well, it's an AI that sits in the computer, but they've built a robot that speaks, that the AI actually talks through it. Oh, yeah, you can talk to it. Yeah, you talk to this thing. Go look at SingularityNet. It's run by a guy named Dr. Ben Gortzel. Yeah, he looks like a mad scientist. Fucking looks like he is a mad scientist, motherfucker. He's got this daggone Sophia robot that talks and stuff. Yeah, and he wants to make it full-bodied. Like, they have the upper torso of it. She can draw. She can do all this shit. And now they're building her legs out. Her lower body is what they started on last year. I don't mind AI, but I don't want it walking and talking around. That's why he's making fun of me. Sophia's looking for you, right? Because I always say that. Yeah, I like AI, but not walking and talking in a robot. So I guess he said SingularityNet to host decentralized. I don't know. He had something here for YouTube or something. All right. Marika. Oh, she just liked a tweet I was in. Anyways. Bye, girl. All right. That's good enough. Hollywood. Live by the sea, brother. Bye. Oh, he's the one who told me. Yeah. Dot takes number 4 over XRP. Hold on, is it? It did for a second, but it went back. You know, these things are juggling all the time. They're going up and down, so. Let me see where Dot's at now. Yeah, you can see, because you see Dot right here is $12 billion market cap. XRP is $13 billion, so, a penny up or down kind of makes them switch place. All right, Bollywood, love you, brother. CB News, Noah Fest is coming. Bang! Indeed it is. Indeed it is. What did he tweet here? This is an absolutely massive catalyst and signal for what's coming across the globe. Oh, Miami, yeah, right here, motherfuck, yeah. Miami Mayor Francis Suarez is set to invest government cash reserves into Bitcoin, while also accepting Bitcoin for taxes and other payments. The Bitcoin wave is coming. Yeah, here in Miami. Well, I live in South Beach. Miami's across the water, but over in Miami, yeah, this guy, I guess he's really serious about it. He's talking about it and everything, so... Like, not just talking about it as in, like, he just says something at some press conference and you don't hear about it again, but, like, he's really fucking talking about it, like, like, you get what I'm saying, right? It's not just passing comments. I think he had the Winklevoss kids over to talk to him about Bitcoin, I think yesterday or the day before. Like, that's how serious, like, hey, you little tech nerds, come here, man, I want to talk to you. Like that. Yeah. So, and Bitcoin is very famous here. These Bitcoin fucksticks, they have a convention here every year. I think it's like every summer. So you'll see them all running around here, with their T-shirts, Bitcoin is the future and all this kind of stuff like that. So it's not really him, because these guys were coming here before this guy became mayor. So they've had their conventions here, but this mayor, this guy, well, he smartened up, right? He's like, oh, Bitcoin's going up, why don't we throw it into our state coffers and earn some ROI on this shit? The ROR is looking good. Why don't we get some ROI off this shit? So, bang! Yeah, he's a good guy. Well, I don't know if he's a good guy, but I mean, he's smart. He's getting into Bitcoin. All right, what do we got here? 19 people. All right, let's see what we got. Sedna. Bang. BDTC. Or is that a girl? Anyways, let me see. Bang. Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Yes. Bang. Mer. Bang. And drop a son of a bitch. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Got you wrong cash. Son of a bitch. Node savior. Bang. Where'd all these new people come from? I must have pushed some strange hashtag or something. What's this? Feels this future. Oh, feeless. Oh, feeless this future? Anyway, I don't know, man. Feeless freak. Got that good? Yes. Got that chicken? Yes, I do. Let's see with the bang. Joel Morrison. Let's see with the bang. Gabrielle. Let's see with the bang. Robbie Hardaway. Let's see with the bang. Yes. Hanging out with us in the chat now. I don't know why it took you so long, man. He's been watching this channel for a while. He finally got in there. Games of the big city. The lesson I learned and follow all my life was to try and try and try again, but never give up. Discover something new. All right, brother. Let's see with the bang. Renato Faraco Iota. Let's see with the bang. Jones. Whoops. Jones. Let's see with the bang. Tangle. Oh, so these guys must have come because I did the IOTA story yesterday. Okay. These are IOTA lovers. So I kept dreaming a world I thought I'd never see. And then one day I got in. Infinite possibilities. IOTA. Yes. All right, Tangle Judge. Let's see with the bang. DSPL. IOTA. Let's see with the bang. Holy, that IOTA story, was that all these people? Ben Royce. Oh, so Society 2 is the thing that is going to build that thing on IOTA that I read to you yesterday, right? Right. Society 2 is launching the alternative to Facebook. So this guy is a Society 2 employee, I'm assuming here. So look, good luck with that, guys. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Hodl iota, think future. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Radster, 1975, holding down Prague. Ursula, European insurgency. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. DP Entertainment, Soul, brother. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. And Andrew Bacheta. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Holy, that was a long list. That was a long list. Bitcoin Kong. Ooh, ooh, wow. What's he saying? Round these parts, better fuel up. The look. Ha ha. Tell him, Kong. Better fuel up. Bang, bang. Yes. 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 All right. Good enough on that one. So we got here. Shravya Saraf. All right. Love you, Shravya. Saraf. Bang. Don't know if it's a guy or a girl, so I'll just mention the name. Edwin, the original. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. All right, that's enough. Oh, there's Spy Lady. I know, Spy Lady. I didn't go get the shirt yet, man. Don't worry. As soon as I get it, I'll bring it on the show. I'm lazy sometimes. Yeah, I got other shit to do. All right, but I'm going to go get it. Don't worry. For sure. Obviously, I'm going to get it. I'm not just going to leave it there. So, Spy Lady, love you, lady, see you, lady. Bye. Don't worry. I'm going to go get the shirt. Benny up. Love you, see you, brother. Bye. That's everybody. Yeah, I don't know any of these other people. And they don't know me, so no need for bang there. Let us get back to the Death Star. Bye. Here we are. So we had a great show for you today. All right. So, nice simple show, quick show. Not too much to yap about, except the real estate thing. All right, so Polkadot launches first parachain. So it's like the Ethereum sharding thing. Helps expand its scalability, its speed, blah, blah, blah. Basically an upgrade. Basically, I read to you about a Polkadot upgrade with this parachains thing. All right. Bang. Bang. All right, and then German real estate giant using Stellar. So, like I've told you before, I think the blockchain and real estate is going to be mega going into the future. Proof of ownership. And so, I mean, more for third world countries is how I look at it. Like I showed you, right? So Indian farmers aren't getting their fucking land stolen by some gangster, right? Or whatever. So, but in this case, this is a little different. They issued a bond. What was it? A $20 million bond on the Stellar Network for their, what do they have? 400,000 apartments, they said, between, right, Germany, Austria, and Sweden. It's just a bond. It's like a bond like any other company. So you buy the bond, and when the bond expires, you get your pay. You get paid. And so, but they're doing it over the Stellar Network, and they did it through, what was it? Hold on. Let me look at the tokens. Hold on 1 second, guys. Let me just look at something. Right? Because it was a certain type of token they used for it, right? Security tokens. All right. Okay, so they use security tokens for it. Wait. Where's my head and everything? Hold on. All right. Yeah, so they issued it, bonds using security tokens. And so, as a Stellar hodler, though, new use case. And I'm telling you, man, real estate is going to be mega when they finally get around to it. I mean, for third world countries. And like I always tell you about Stellar, like that's what's amazing about Stellar, right? It's you don't even have to use those fucking Stellar lumens. It's the network you use, right? Use the blockchain itself. So you can issue all manner of tokens, all manner of any digital asset you can move over a Stellar network. It's super fast, super scalable, all that, the usual good stuff. And so, bang, bang, Stellar hodlers. Don't be afraid to accumulate. All right. And then Coinbase opens door to more listings. And so we all know how it goes. You get listed on Coinbase. Bang! It's like they said in the story, what they call it, the Holy Grail, right? it's the holy grail of listings. And so, I mean, I don't know. I don't So let me just say something. I guess maybe companies couldn't ask to be listed before. Maybe Coinbase would just choose you, and there you go. They'd give you your blessing, the blessing. Like the queen, she knights you. Yes, the blessing of the queen, Whereas now they're saying, all right, if you guys want to be on our thing, put in an application, we'll review it, and if you're regulatory compliant, and all that good stuff, then we'll issue you on our platform here. And so that's amazing. So with this news, I'm expecting that right now, all around the world, there are a bunch of tech nerds filling out this Coinbase application. I'm assuming that's what's going on tonight as I speak. Guys just, oh my gosh, filling out the application to get on Coinbase, right? And so, hopefully in a few months, I don't know how long this thing takes, but hopefully in a few months, you'll see your favorite crypto on Coinbase. VeChain, come on, motherfucker, come on. That would be sweet. Oh, yeah, that'd be sweet as hell. So, expect more listings and great stuff. All right, so that's good enough. Let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do this show. The greatest show on earth. Oops, greatest show on earth. Greatest show. Yes. In the multiverse. My name is Shomari Clarke. Live talking money. Bye. Live talking crypto. Bye. It's the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home, and I will see you tomorrow. And we'll talk about crypto and talk about money and all the favorite stuff. So look, until then, subscribe here, press the bell. Also the little thumbs up thing. Watch that video right there. Boom. Greatest in the multiverse. And I will see you tomorrow. My name is Shomari Clarke, and I'm always on duty. Bye. Yes. Over and out.